Hi crafty friends, Lace here at Cheeky Bum. I have a small little Dollar Tree haul for you. I found a few things, but there's still some things I haven't found out there that I feel like I need, and I don't know if I'll ever find them. But I'm going to show you what I have found lately. First off, I found this little guy. It's like now I can't think of what it's called. A hedgehog. A hedgehog pumpkin, and I just thought he was cute. I really liked his little spikes. I did find that a lot of them just didn't have super great painted faces, but this one wasn't so bad, and I just thought he was cute, and it's like got a nice little weight. But I just love his little spikes. So cute. I was able to find a couple more of these, and I'm pretty sure that these did ring up. Nope, they did ring up $1.50, even though they didn't cover this. Bummer. But I've been having a hard time finding these lately, so I picked some up. Because you can never have too many in your stash. I picked up a new one of these. I like cleaning my brushes, my paint brushes with these. I feel like it gets them pretty clean. I have some for makeup brushes as well, but I usually get the darker colors. I think there was like a light pink, but after time, like they'll start, like, no matter if you've cleaned them or not, they'll still kind of get like paint and dirty and stuff like that. So I found the darker colors just show less of that. But anyway, got that for paintbrushes. I found some more. So I'm always like, we play a lot of card games. My boys like a lot of card games, so I'm always sending them cards. I mean, they're young adults. They play a lot of card games / drinking games. But we do like good card games. But I also thought that I was going to look at these because I've gotten some other ones and they're just really fun. I thought that they could just be fun for junk journaling or the back of pocket letters or something like that. So I thought that I would show you what I found. I found 2 of these Friday the 13th ones. I am in a horror swap every year. So I thought that these could be good to put in there. I'm not quite sure. I just wanted to like kind of look at them and see what they're like, because I haven't seen these. So I've found The Office. The Office ones are fun because they have like little like trivia fun facts on them. So these are the Friday the 13th ones. This is what the back looks like. And then it just has pics from the movie. These are really cute. Cute. Of course, I would say, you know, bloody things are, oh, that's so cute. This might not be for everybody, but I really like these. I hope that I can find more because I want a set for myself. I really like these. These are cool. Cool. So hopefully I can find some more so I can have 2 to swap and 1 set for myself. I really like those. I think I found some SpongeBob ones before. I was interested in the Beetlejuice ones. I mean, they do show you on the back of kind of what it looks like, but I don't think like the past sets have had this. I don't know. I'd have to go grab a couple other of the sets that I found to see. So Beetlejuice on the back. See, for the back of like pocket letters and stuff, these would be really cool. But you could cut these out and use them in junk journaling or anything else. But yeah, these are all just from the Beetlejuice movie. These are really cool. They've got some really cool pics. I really like those. So those ones are fun. Ooh, these are all fun finds out of this pack. I'm trying to think of what else they had. Because they come out with like, they come in a box and they have like 4 or 5 different sets in each box, like types. So I'm trying to think of what else was in there that I didn't grab. I also grabbed the Goonies. We are big Goonies fans. My youngest son is a huge fan. We've even been to Astoria, Oregon, where they've filmed a lot of the Goonies. Well, whatever wasn't in studio anyway. Location area. So let's see what these ones. I think these just have movie pics on them too. They do. So these ones with movie pics are really fun. not all of them have been like this. Like I said, I've gotten other sets that are different. Like they don't have like movie pics on the back. I don't know, because I've gotten some Harry Potter ones before. I'm trying to think of what other ones I've found. I haven't found Harry Potter ones in a while, and I wish that I'd be able to find more because I only picked up one set, and now I wish I would have found more. So those are fun if you are a card game person or just a, you know, playing card person in general. I did find some new pill organizers. They did have like a purple color too, and I don't know if they'll have any other colors. So I found a mint, an orange, and there was a purple, and I passed on the purple. I just got the mint and orange. Mint because I love mint, but I also thought that the orange could be cool for, you know, Halloween. Because yeah, you just take acetone and take those off. I kind of like that it's not clear. But this could be really fun to put something, you know, put a cute little rosette or something in the center. You can make a little template for this if you wanted to cover it with paper instead. But I kind of liked those, that they were kind of solid colors. Usually they're kind of transparent. So yeah, be on the look for these. Those are the two, or like I said, I think there was at least 3 colors, but there could have been 4 colors. They usually do things in 3s or 4s. There was like a light purple, like a lilac color, and I don't know. If I go back and they have it, I'll probably end up grabbing that as well. But it'd be cute if there was like a light blue. That would be perfect for like winter or summer. You know, you just never know. I also found these new hand sanitizer. These are in a sweet pea scent, which I don't know what that smells like. I don't know if I want to spray it. It's just kind of florally, like hand sanitizer-y. But I thought that because of the color, I could take this sticker off and put some Halloween paper on here maybe. And I just thought that they would be cute because you could add these to swap baskets, boo baskets, tag flips or something like that. I just thought it would be cute. They had all different colorways. There's a Barbie one. I think quite a few of them were non-scented. These ones, the Squishmallow ones, were sweet pea. But I liked the green and the purple together. I thought that it could be cute for Halloween. So that's why I picked up a couple of those. I think that's it for that bag. And then I picked up a couple of these containers. I just liked the size, and I'll show you what I plan on doing with it. So, of course, like, they kind of go up a little bit. So I would say I would measure from the bottom. They're just over 5 by 11. They were the fall color. So there was this color, an orange and burgundy, I think, or maybe a brown. But let's see, do I have a die right here? Oh, I do. So I have a lot of my dies in these square ones, and they fit perfect. So I can just kind of flip through these square ones. I have some that are a little bit smaller squares, but I typically like this size. And of course I have taller ones that are in bigger containers, but these are perfect for this one. So I really like that. I got 3 of them. So perfect for these dies. These ones are like, they're like 4 3/4 by 4 3/4 square. I really like this size. I do have a lot of the smaller ones too for just like small alphas and stuff like that. But typically most of my dies will fit in this size. So I really like this size one. And let's see what else I got. I also picked up some shred. This is candy corn color. We got black. I picked up some new treat bags. I picked up these fun little vampire fangs ones. I just thought that these were so cute. Mouth, like lips, mouths, teeth, and eyeballs. For some reason, I gravitate towards. I don't know why. I know that is really weird, but like Halloween wise, I'm drawn to those. So I would love to see a tree bag with a whole bunch of eyeballs on it. I would pick that up in a heartbeat. So these are really cute. And I got these ones. I have so many treat bags. I know a lot of people have been getting like the cute little paper plates and napkins this year. So I think that next year I might do like prior to Halloween so that you can get them before Halloween. I think that I might do like a treat bag swap or a napkin swap so that you can kind of swap out and get some things that you might not necessarily have, because I have so many treat bags, more than I am ever going to use. But these are the cute ones I got this year. So I was also able to find these. They did have another pattern, but I just wasn't into it. I liked the more traditional Halloween. They do have little like cupcake ones too. But this is what they look like. These ones are popcorn boxes. But look at the color. Like, these are so cute. Oh, look at this. Those are adorable because you can cover this up if you wanted to. A loaded popcorn box or a loaded treat box swap next year maybe. And then prior to Halloween, do a swap of like treat bags and stuff so that you have said stuff. So you get 3 of these ones, and then these ones are just kind of like a plain Halloween print. I really like these ones, so I like the stripes. I might go back and get another package of these. These are cool. I did find... I only picked up one of these. It was cute. I'll probably use it for some boo mail. I do have some like book boxes that I've gotten too. I just kind of liked the little monsters on the front. Of course, it doesn't matter what size you get. They're all, I think, $1.50. So I think this is like not the biggest one, but it's not the smallest one. I think it's mid. I think there was 5 sizes and that this was the middle size. 4 or 5 sizes. I could be wrong. But there was 2 that were smaller than this. But I thought that this has like a decent size. Like you can put quite a bit of stuff in here, really, if you think about it. I liked the height of it. So I was like, oh, I could load that up and do some kind of happy mail in that. Or a gift. I did pick up another pack of these because I was like, oh, I think these are from last year, and I think that I already have them. But they were just sitting there, and there was just one off. So I was like, oh, I'm going to grab those. I found a new scent of the Handy Back. These small ones, I really like these ones. They're sealed. I like these for in the car, or if you put them like on our dog leash bag, because you know you have your little thing that has the doo-doo bags, but you know sometimes you want to clean your hands too. But I have these on our beach bag. I have these, we have like a Jeep that we go jeeping in. I always have one of these on that bag. Like, I like those. I use them a lot. I was also able to, I found these new mesh bags. They did have another pack. It's a 2-pack. I think it was orange and some other color. I don't know. These ones were green and purple, and I was thinking, you know, Halloween. So does only one of them have this? I thought both of them had this, not unless mine fell off. But they do have this little heart thing that says Ellie, which is a brand. But I thought that this would be cute to put something in, and I got like Halloween colors because that's kind of what I was thinking. I don't know. What else did I get? I got the Sour Bats because those are my favorite. And then, of course, I found these after I did a circus swap. I just did like a creepy carnival swap, but I was like, you know, somebody else is gonna do a carnival or a circus type of swap in the future, because we all have, you know, these dies from the summer that came out. So I picked these up because I thought, oh, these would be so cute to paint and put in the center of rosettes. But of course I found out after the fact. Isn't that usually how it goes, where you find something that'd be perfect after you've already done said craft? So I'm going to put these in my stash for next year because I think that these could be really cool, like if you do like painted them black and use some like gold rub and buff on them and put them in like rosettes or just other embellishments, I thought that they could be really cool. So that is what I picked up. That is my little Dollar Tree haul, a little bit of everything. There is some Halloween stuff that I'm still on the search for that mine just haven't gotten. So I don't know, but I haven't been in a little bit. My local one is pretty small. And I haven't been to a bigger one in a while. So maybe this weekend I'll go out and see what I can find. I would love to venture to a pop shelf. Mine has closed. My local by an hour away has closed, but everybody is hauling such cute things, so I might have to do a little bit of traveling. I've been to my local Ollie's and they haven't had anything, so maybe if I don't know, maybe I'll have to go to Alabama and do some shopping soon. Now that I'm feeling a little bit better, I think I need to travel and go go to some shops that I don't have. But anyway, I hope that you were able to find some good goodies out there, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.